In this video, I will show how you can get up to 50% off on the SEO Writing AI pricing plans. To get started, use the first link in description and create an account if you don't already have one. After you log in, this is the interface you will see. Click on your profile in the bottom left corner and click on Billing. Click on Upgrade Now and you will see the 4 pricing plans offered by SEO Writing AI. You can compare the features included in each plan and decide which one best suits your needs. To get a discount, the first thing you can do is switch to annual billing. You can see that this gives us a 25% discount on all the plans, and you can still get even more discount. Going with the annual plan also means you will need to pay the yearly amount up front, so you can always choose the monthly plan if you are not sure. You can also use the free plan of SEO Writing AI and test the tool first before upgrading. Now, to get an even bigger discount, select a plan of your choice and click on Upgrade Now. You will be taken to the checkout page. You can see that we have the option to enter a coupon code. Enter the code WBExplainer and hit Enter. You can see that we have received a 25% discount, and if you combine it with the annual billing discount, the total savings come close to 50%. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete the payment. If you want a detailed breakdown of each SEO Writing AI pricing plan to help you decide which one you should choose, check out this video right here.